traders, pound Swissy, I want to go out to a daily, and I'm going to give you a couple of trade ideas here. All right, this is trending low, high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Okay, well, that was pretty wild, but you get the idea. A trend will give you a series of higher highs, higher lows, and we're going to look for the opportunity on the pullbacks. So we get this retrace, give or take. Okay, we'll just grab it from here. So what I'm doing here is I'm just picking up this measured move. Okay, that kind of makes sense. There, 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 and there. Possibly there. Right, but what I'm getting at is, don't underestimate how far this thing can move. We've got this red candle. This is my base. The swing low here. And this red candle is, you know, it's a point of interest. That's support. See how these have retraced at least into 50% of the price swing? So if we pull this price swing low to high and we come back down 50%, right, it kind of stacks up in terms of how this trend's been behaving. Right, so a 50% pullback, if we grab Fibonacci low to high, here's my 50% here. Under here is a discount, so I'm looking at this price swing low to high, and I want to get in at a discount. Right, so this is a swing trade idea, and it could take 2, 3, 4, 5 a week before this, even if it does trade back down here. But I'd set up a pending, you know, a pending buy somewhere like that. So this is idea number 1, and I'm going to target this projected 100 up here. We've got 50 and 100. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at this price swing low to high. 50% of that price swing is here on the 50. So I'm going to project that forward here, here, and here. This, by the way, is an ICT concept. Okay, if you don't have data on the chart left, you can use these levels, and it's a minus 0.5, minus 1. So these are ICT's projected targets with the Fibonacci. So, and they usually work out pretty well. Another way to look at it would be if you measured the you know, A to B, C, D, okay, A, B, C, D measured move equal A to B, C to D. They're both the same. Okay. Don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I think there's an A, B, C, D tool in here that you can pull, and so we look for this projected measured move north. Now, what I'm getting at is, okay, this is one idea on the daily time frame, down into this daily order block, possibly, all right, and it may or may not fill, you know, and I want to get involved with this. It's a strong bullish trend. And I'm really wanting to make the video suitable for anybody. If you're advanced, if you're intermediate, it's for you. And if you're a beginner, I'm hoping that I'm giving you enough information here to help you understand my thought process and you know, the technical analysis. So anyway, 4 hour, I'd go down to the 1 hour, and we'll have a look and see what that looks like. And it's the same concept. So we've got an idea on the higher time frame. This is it here. Okay, we'll pull that to the left. So there's your swing trade idea. But now we're looking at the micro level, and this is also, it's the same thing. We've got swing low, swing high, swing low. Kind of pushed off with a vengeance there, but you know, you want to be looking for much the same thing where you have like this red candle prior to this rally. This is a key level here, right? That's your swing low point. And if you pull your Fibonacci from this low to high, you get an entry point down in here. Long position. Stop under the previous low. Okay? And away we go. For anybody who's new to trading, this is the trend. And each one of these pullbacks is an entry point with a stop below the previous low. So the idea is we've got higher highs, higher lows until, you know, we get that, right, a break of market structure. So at the moment, and I mean, if you run with this strategy, you know, you've gone in long here, 1, 2, you know, there's 3 buy opportunities here that have paid, and then maybe the 4th one here gets taken out. But, you know, you've got 3 under your belt. I hope that makes sense. So you've got to cater for, you know, one of these being taken out at some stage. So this has been trending. We've had opportunities down in here. Here's another one. Does it continue? Maybe. You know, we just got to stick to the rules. It might do that. I like the fact that the pound is quite strong and the Swissie's weak. So we buy into strength, we sell into weakness. And so, you know, there's an idea. So my first target is going to be these highs here. Target 2 around the 50. See how it works? Look at that. It'll be liquidity above these highs that's being targeted, and bingo. Bingo, right? And then, I don't know, look left, but you'll probably find there's something over there. If there's nothing on the chart, then this 100, that's your other target. Oops, hang on. Yeah. All right, so 2 ideas here. One on the... Now, understand, this could get taken out. It's higher risk with a tight stop. But that's quite a nice outcome. That's a 3-hour result. So that's my idea, guys. It's a pound Swissie. There's a couple of ideas. Stick to the plan with this trend trading strategy. And, you know, if you manage it well, you'll come out on top. You'll build an account with this. Every now and again, one of these will get taken out, but most of them will work for you. So with that, look, I'd love to hear your comments. Share the love. Definitely, if you've got something to say, I'd love to hear it in the comments section below. That's my take on the pound Swissie. Have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.